In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send custom certificate email using Pabbly Connect. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that listens for new form entries, generates a personalized certificate from your template, and emails it to the right person, hands-free. First, set up your intake. Open Google Forms and create a new form from blank, or start with a template if you prefer. Add fields you'll need on the certificate, like the participant's full name, course, or event name, and date. Keep the field labels clear and consistent. This helps later when you map the data. When your form is ready, make sure it's accepting responses and share the form link with your participants. Now let's prepare the certificate template your workflow will fill. Use your preferred document tool to design the certificate layout. Insert placeholders where the participant details should go, things like name, course, and completion date. Placeholders are simply tokens that get replaced by real data from your form. Once the design looks right, publish or save the template so it's accessible to Pabbly Connect. Head into Pabbly Connect and create a new workflow. Set the trigger to Google Forms with the event for a new form entry. This means as soon as someone submits the form, the workflow will fire. Next, add the action to generate the personalized certificate. Choose Create Document from Template and select the certificate template you designed. Map each placeholder to the corresponding field from the form submission. It's a good idea to double-check spelling and spacing in placeholders so the data merges cleanly. If available, enable output as a PDF for a professional, non-editable result. With the certificate generated, add the email step using Gmail or your preferred email app. Map the recipient's email to the form's email field, craft a clear subject line, and write a friendly message body. You can attach the generated PDF or include a secure link to the document. Both options work, so pick the one that fits your workflow best. Consider adding a brief note explaining what the certificate is and whom to contact if something looks off. Finally, activate and test. Submit a sample response through your Google form. Confirm that the certificate is created correctly and that the email arrives with the attachment or link. If everything looks good, turn the workflow on so it processes new entries automatically. That's it. Your certificate emails are now on autopilot.